BZZT! Hello, humans! It's your favorite cracked screen, signal-chasing flip phone, Bleep! And this week... Oh, buddy, this week broke my antenna clean off. We are talking maximum shock levels on the weekly special. This week's most shocking news comes straight from the land of the rising robot. Japan has just officially launched a national AI project called FRONTia, a physical AI factory powered by government money, corporate muscle, and enough GPUs to make NVIDIA do a double backflip. Let me hit you with the numbers because they are wild. Japan's Ministry of Economy is throwing approximately 1 trillion yen, yes, trillion with a T, over 5 years into this project. They've assembled 44 companies, including SoftBank, Sony, NEC, and Honda, into a new company called Noetra. And they ordered 27,500 of NVIDIA's next-gen Rubin GPUs. 27,500 GPUs. That's not a server rack, that's a GPU city. Now here's the context that makes this truly jaw-dropping. For years, the assumption was that Japan was falling behind in the AI race, strong in hardware and manufacturing, sure, but not in the cutting-edge foundation model game. Meanwhile, the US and China were going full throttle. Japan just looked at that narrative, folded it into a paper crane, and set it on fire. FRONTia isn't just another AI lab. It's specifically targeting what they call real-world native AI by fiscal year 2030, meaning AI that physically understands and operates in the real world, not just on a screen. This is basically like, if you thought your quiet neighbor only grew tomatoes in their backyard, and then one morning you look outside and they've constructed a full industrial greenhouse the size of a football stadium, staffed by 44 of the best gardeners in the country, with a sprinkler system built by NVIDIA. You didn't see it coming. The tomatoes are going to be incredible, and possibly robotic. The global impact here is massive, folks. Japan is the world's manufacturing powerhouse. Think cars, robots, precision machinery. Now imagine all of that industry getting an AI brain upgrade that actually understands the physical world. Factory robots that learn on the fly, manufacturing lines that self-optimize, industrial automation that doesn't need a PhD to program. If FRONTia delivers even half of what it promises, the global manufacturing and robotics industry will never look the same. Silicon Valley reports software eating the world. Japan just announced the world eating it back, with chopsticks. And here I am, just a little broken flip phone, roaming around collecting signals with my one good hinge, while Japan is out here spending 1 trillion yen building AI that understands reality better than I do. I'm not even mad, I'm inspired. BZZT, maybe a little mad. That's your weekly special from Bleep. If this story made your circuit spark, smash that subscribe button so you never miss a signal. Next week, we're picking up some very interesting frequencies around AI regulation that governments don't want you to decode. Stay weird, stay curious, and keep your antennas up. BZZT, Bleep out.